Hey everyone! Ever felt like you're just running on a treadmill in your 9 to 5 job, getting nowhere fast? Well, today I'm here to talk about something truly exciting, the Legacy Builder program, a game changer for anyone looking to escape the daily grind and create a legacy of their own. I know what it's like to want more from life than just a paycheck. That's where the Legacy Builder program steps in. It's not just any program, it's a revolutionary path designed specifically for those who dare to dream bigger. Imagine having the freedom to control your schedule, choose your projects, and, most importantly, make an impact while building wealth. This isn't about quick fixes or overnight success, it's about building something lasting. The program offers tools and strategies developed by top industry experts who have walked the same path of breaking free from conventional work structures. With personalized coaching, an active community of like-minded individuals, and resources that guide you through every step, the Legacy Builder program is your launching pad to a new way of living. Let's talk benefits. Flexibility, work when you want and how you want. Creativity. Harness your passion and turn it into something tangible. And yes, financial freedom, because ultimately this journey is about creating wealth that supports your lifestyle and goals. Now, I know change can be daunting, but remember, this program is crafted for those who are ready to take that leap. It's for those who are not just looking for a job, but a calling. It's for those who want not just to make a living, but to make a life. So if you're sitting there thinking there has to be more to life than your current 9 to 5, you're right, there is. And it's waiting for you in the Legacy Builder program. Are you ready to build your legacy? Because I can't wait to see where this journey takes you. Think about it. This could be the first step to not just changing your career, but transforming your life. Dive in and let's make it happen together.